Guys, it's starting to get close to the end. There isn't as much chatter as before. Well, the guards are coming in.
Before the next game begins, can we get someone to raise their hand? Great, you will be playing hide and seek inside here. The person who raised their hand will get a knife and must kill two people. You all have 30 seconds to hide.
Well, farewell.
Seeker, you may now seek. Wait, I have a child, please. My foot. Stop, please, it hurts.
One down.
I'm gonna switch spots. Wait, remember we are allies.
I'm gonna die if I don't do this. I'm sorry.
My leg.
Goodbye.
If you're gonna kill me right now, what was the point of saving me? Risking your life for someone you kill later?
You're right. I'm sorry. But promise me one thing. Win the game and avenge me.
Congrats on making it to the finals. We will now prepare a special feast for you.
Dude, I feel so bad right now.
Just move on, dude. Care about the money.
Wow, greed has taken over you.
Oh, shut up, you shithead.
If that's how you wanna play.
Welcome to your final game. There are no rules. The last one standing wins.
So, you got anything to say, Big Mouth?
4 words. I will kill you.
Got any last words?
Can I tell you something, Jake? I'm sorry.
You're coming with us. Sir, will that be all?
Yes, please.
Would you like to pay by card? One more game.
Are you sure?
Yes, one more game.